Hi, I'm Wolfgang, founder of CruiseCareer Pro. I spent years as an executive officer and F&B director on ships like Princess, Celebrity, and Royal Caribbean. Today I'll show you how CruiseCareer Pro helps you land your next cruise ship contract. Once you sign up, this is your dashboard. Everything you need is right here. CV evaluation, ATS scoring, cover letter builder, and interview coaching, all in one place. Let's start with the CV evaluator. You upload your CV right here. The system reviews it against what cruise line recruiters actually look for. You get a clear score showing exactly how strong your CV is. And specific feedback, what's working, what's missing, and how to fix it. Many cruise line applications go through automated systems before a human sees them. This ATS score tells you how well your CV will pass that first filter. Next, the cover letter builder. Enter a few details about the role you want. It generates a draft you can customize, saving you time and avoiding common mistakes. This is the interview coaching tool. It walks you through common cruise ship questions. You practice clear, confident answers so you're not caught off guard. Here's our resources hub, guides and tips on life on board and your first contract. CruiseCareer Pro gives you the tools I wish existed when I was reviewing applications. Visit CruiseCareerPro.com to get started today. Visit CruiseCareerPro.com for a free CV review and ATS Score designed specifically for cruise ship careers. CruiseCareer Pro is not a recruiting service and does not offer or guarantee cruise ship jobs for viewers.